Tony, thank you very much for the invitation to Plalite in Sittingbourne in Kent. Now, you guys are over 50 years old, but tell me a little bit about the background to the company.
Plalite started in 1968 as a design, research and manufacturing company working for the MOD. From those days the company evolved into more commercial work, CNC machining. From CNC machining we now concentrate strongly on 5-axis machining.
So would you say that you are a general job shop here?
Yes, we have a variety of different disciplines here, obviously turning, milling, wire erosion, still do some welding and fabrication, but our core capability now is 5-axis machining.
And do you think that having an array of different machines here gives you the flexibility to take on any work?
Of course, we have a wide scope of customers from steel defence, aerospace, motorsport and various medical and various other commercial customers. So it's important, vital for us to have a wide range of strengths and capacity to offer our customers.
So talking about 5-axis machining, now your relationship with DMG MORI runs into a number of years. I see that you've got DMU 50s in the background here, but this latest purchase, this DMU 75, tell me exactly why you chose this machine, Tony.
We've got a wide variety of DMG machines. DMU 50 Evo, we've got two, has always been our go-to machine for accuracy and reliability. We wanted to buy a larger capacity machine, and so the monoblock 75 was an obvious choice.
Now, with this machine as well, obviously it gives you a much bigger footprint, doesn't it? I mean, you can load up to 600 kilos, I understand on here, 20,000 RPM spindled. Is that more for precise machining or very fast machining?
We're about precision. We are now finding we're being asked to produce more complex parts, but on a larger scale. So the monoblock again gives us that larger machining envelope, as well as maintaining the accuracy that we need for our customers.
And I know you've only just had this commissioned and you're running jobs, but has this given you a lot more capacity to offer your existing customers, or are you looking to offer the capacity to other companies that you might not be working with at the moment?
A bit of both really. Obviously we want to grow our relationship with our existing customers and also be able to satisfy their evolving designs, but also push this machine towards new targets we're looking for, especially in the aerospace market.
Now I know with you guys being a job shop, you know, every hour is critical, keeping that spindle turning. Now, backup from DMG MORI, how do you find that?
Yes, I've got to say, very good. They've shown real improvement in the 12 years we've been working with them, and we've seen real improvement in recent years.
So as you grow your business, Tony, do you think that DMG MORI would be your benchmark to look at new machines for the future?
Without a doubt. DMG to us personify high-tech machines, accurate machines, reliable machines, and have that service to back up what we bought from them.